Hi everyone. Today we shall start a new topic that is the important topic and which is very essential for all of us, which is our capital city, which is the capital city of India. As you all know that New Delhi or Delhi is the capital city of India. In this topic, we shall discuss in detail about our capital city. That is the topic name is Delhi, the capital city for the Great Tree. In this class, we shall discuss in detail about the origin of Delhi, historical background of Delhi, and which are the main important sites to visit in Delhi. See, Delhi is an oldest city of our India, even as well as oldest city of our world. Also, it is an eighth largest city in the world. I mean, in terms of population, it is a major metropolitan city of our nation. So, it is very important to learn about the Delhi because the name Delhi, it has its own existence since from the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro civilization also because it is the oldest city of our nation. In the civilization period also there is an evidence to prove that the Delhi was there. So, in some books, I mean, in some regional books, in some books like Mahabharata and Ramayana also, there is a mention or there is a mention of a name Delhi in the name of Indraprastha. I mean, it is before it was a capital city of Pandavas, and later uh, the King Shahjahan has developed Delhi, and it is named as Shahjahanabad. And the major person or a king, Raj Dihuli, because of his name, then because of his name, the city or the provinces got the name that is Delhi. This is the little historical background of our capital city, that is Delhi. And nowadays we are going to call Delhi as our national capital territory. I mean, it is the capital city of our nation. So this is all about the origin of Delhi because Delhi is a very oldest city of our country. In the same way, it is one of the oldest city of our world also. It is an eighth largest city in terms of population. And in India, we are going to see very few metropolitan city. So Delhi is also one of such metropolitan city which is located in our nation, and it is a union territory. It is a union territory. It is ruled under the central government directly, and it is the capital city of nation. See, our capital city Delhi is divided into two major parts. That is New Delhi and Old Delhi. New Delhi and Old Delhi, the parliament of our nation, and many other offices, many other administration centers of India is located in the Delhi. A many prime minister, president, and all the parliamentarians or member of parliaments are living in the Delhi itself because of betterment of administration. And the climate of Delhi is very different because it is extremely hot in the summer season and it is extremely cold in the winter season. This is all about the little introduction of our capital city Delhi. We shall recall once again that Delhi is the capital city of India. Delhi is the capital city of India. It is one of the oldest city of our world and it is the eighth largest city of the world in terms of population. It is the capital city of a nation. It is the capital city of India. It is an union territory which is ruled directly by the central government of India. And before Delhi as an historical background, Delhi has a very vast historical background because the name Delhi or the city Delhi is existed in the time of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro civilization also. In some of our important holy books, in our holy books, they have mentioned that Delhi, the Indraprastha, I mean the capital of Pandavas at the time of Mahabharata is now it is renamed or called as Delhi. The Indraprastha is same Delhi is at that time it is known as Indraprastha, and later the king Raja Duhuli is the person is the major main person because of him the name Delhi came into existence and came into force. Next, Shah Jahan, the Mughal emperor ruler, you are familiar with him. He's the person who developed Delhi in a vast. He developed Delhi and he renamed Delhi as Shahjahanabad. And next, after independence or in the British rule itself, the Delhi is converted into National Capital Territory (NCT) of our nation, India. This is all about the Delhi. The city Delhi is divided into two major parts, that is New Delhi and Old Delhi. And Delhi consists of many historical buildings and many monuments which are which attracts the people or which attracts the tourists all over the world. And the administration centers of India is also located in the same place, that is called as New Delhi. The prime minister, the president, and many administrators or parliamentarians or MPs are located or they are going to stay in the Delhi because of betterment of our administration. And the climate of Delhi is very different because it is very extreme hot in the time of summer and it is extreme cold in the time of winter. This is all about the little introduction which is mentioned about the capital city Delhi in your textbook. In our next class, we shall discuss in detail about the important monuments like Qutub Minar, Indian Gate, Red Fort, and Rajghat, and some other important monuments which are located in the Delhi. In our next class, we shall discuss in class about those things. Thank you, Vananda.